Hi there, Vikings, and welcome to this post-session review, and maybe we have a look at the PM session here also. Now my computer turned black, so we'll see if we can come back. Let's see. We have a PM session open right here, right now. Let's put on the kill zones. All right. So trend line liquidity here. Yeah, we tried to go long here. We got stop break even, took a little bit of partials, and we also took short, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so we have one loss of $860, and we have partial taken with $700 plus 580. So overall plus for today. Very good, but the market is as hard as I ever seen it. It's like heartbrokening. I get nowhere on my live account right now, but at least our account, the demo account here, is up 16%, so that's something. Today we worked the 4-hour fair value gap here, which I thought would be an inversion fair value gap. This is the orange box. We traded up to it, but we closed below it before the 4-hour candle was giving us a closure. So that made me a bit ambivalent, but I thought we got the short on the ES here. We got fair value gap, but at 10 we reversed, so I got long, but that long just barcoded and did like nothing, so that's why the result is what it is. Then we went up to wick CE and reversed down again, and then we have reversed again, so it's like, yeah, not anything good actually. So we might have Tuesday high of week. I don't know. I actually I don't know what the market want to do. We still have equal highs here. So if it want to take it now or later, or we'll see. We have to see what the market give us, because we can't predict it right now. And for me, it is prediction we are doing. We should predict the market what it's do, and we build a narrative about it, and we have the saying that if then this, and from that we can trade with a clear bias and with a narrative, and we know when and where we should do something. On ES we are working the first presented fair value gap right now. On NQ we are working the wick CE and the 4-hour fair value gap. We see if we can get a first percent fair value gap for this PM session here. But even if I were a PM trader, I wouldn't trade this session, because the bias is just too unclear. I don't know where we are going actually. So for me, this year I started to be really good at follow my rules, which is set and forget and 1 to 2.25 R, and I shouldn't trade in premium if we are bullish, and I shouldn't take more than 2 trades a day. So when I started doing that, the market a la Trump hasn't generated anything. I'm like break even on my live accounts. But last year and the year before that, if I followed my rules then, which I didn't, I moved my stop loss and did things like that, I would be up like 50 hours. So yeah, I have to be patient and just see what I see that the market is hard, listen to others that thinks the same, which they do, and then just keep going with lower size and just do what I should. And always don't expect the results. Don't wait for the money to appear. Just do what you should do. Follow your rules, and probably the money will appear. Right? Okay, confirming soon. We'll see a bullish order block here on the 1 minute. If we close above this one, we also have the big CE where we could go long from. And on the ES we have bounced on the 4-hour fair gap high. Three seconds. Okay. Do we get? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Got the order block. We closed at the same height as the order block. So yeah. I'm not trading. I'm just measuring things out. Shouldn't go past the midpoint, which it did now. The midpoint of the order block is a line in the sand for order blocks and for their, if you want to be aggressive with your stop loss, you put it just under the midpoint of the order block. But in this case you would be stopped out. I will soon resume the yeah, nothing works here. The PD arrays are not holding up. Going into this imbalance here. Yeah, we have the NVOGs here. NVOGs and NDOGs. So if you traded today, please mark it up and send it in the comments so we can have a look at it. Because it's always interesting to see how others trade ICT concepts. Okay, let's get naked. And by that I mean I will not undress for show off, but I will get the chart naked here. I want to see how it looks, and this looks like shit. This is not clear price action. You see that? It's like not respecting any PDA raise. It's just going sideways. Last week, same. Sideways. Then we got a push during Monday. Push up, and then we went sideways. So I don't know. My recommendation is to dial down on size, even demo. Just wait for it to do something regular, because but at the same time you can't just leave the chart, because someday it will just work and the PDA raise will be respected, and then you have to be there, not miss it. So, but it's a good practice to see that this is shit, and see if you can notice when it's not shit. Okay. Tomorrow we have 2:30 high impact news. Perfect. So we can get some movement in the pre-market here. Very nice. Equal highs here. That is what I see. And we made this wick down here. We should push up. I market that out. Okay. You can hold me accountable. I think we're going there. That's my best guess. Okay. Okay, gangsters. Yeah, I might be back to have a look at if we get any silver bullets in 15 minutes. So I'll be right back. And yeah, see you in 15 minutes or so. nothing is happening, I see. So, okay. Silver bullet time is in. Do we have any first percent of value gap? No. These markets. If any, this have to be it then. This little small fair value gap. Okay, we have divergences on the low, and we are working the high of the 4-hour fair value gap, which is now an inversion fair value gap. We are under the inversion fair value gap on NQ, so again, it's not much to work with. We're just under the first percent fair value gap from the AM session. I think the price is just stagnant, so I will end the stream, and we will probably see each other tomorrow.